Record PlayStation 5 sales, yet Sony profit goes down. Sony announces profit warning despite record PlayStation 5 sales. Sony Group Corp on Friday said it expects profit to slip in the coming months, despite record sales of the PlayStation 5. The company cited a number of factors for the decline, including the ongoing chip shortage and the war in Ukraine. The chip shortage is an excuse that many companies are using since the COVID pandemic, citing that electronic parts and supplies are in short supply and more difficult to get. PlayStation 5 sales continued to soar. Sony sold 19.3 million PlayStation 5 consoles in the fiscal year ended March 31, 2023. That's up from 11.5 million consoles in the previous year. The company expects to sell 25 million PlayStation 5 consoles in the current fiscal year. That is more than double the number it sold the prior year, and with the COVID pandemic easing up, one would think this would be the opposite as people get out more, but this appears to not be the case. Chip shortage and war in Ukraine weigh on profits. Sony said the ongoing chip shortage is having a negative impact on its production of PlayStation 5 consoles. The company is also facing higher costs due to the war in Ukraine. I'm not sure if I buy this excuse from Sony. If it can sell over 20 million PlayStation consoles and deliver them, is there really a chip shortage problem due to the war? Sony CEO says profits will slip in coming months. Sony CEO Kenichiro Yoshida said the company expects profit to slip in the coming months. He said the company is facing a very difficult environment. I would like to hear more about what this difficult environment is from the CEO. Analysts say Sony's profit warning is a sign of the times. Analysts say Sony's profit warning is a sign of the times. They say the company is facing a number of headwinds, including the chip shortage, the war in Ukraine, and rising inflation. Inflation is a concern as inflation greatly accelerated during the COVID pandemic as people stopped going into work and supplies and resources became more scarce. What does Sony's profit warning mean for the future of the PlayStation 5? It's too early to say what Sony's profit warning means for the future of the PlayStation 5. However, it's clear that the company is facing some challenges. It remains to be seen how Sony will overcome these challenges and continue to grow the PlayStation business. Do you think Sony will eventually get its profits back up? Will the PlayStation continue to be a bestseller?